Your boy KingFab, the KDD, KingFab's Daily Drip, you know what I'm saying? Back at it with the drip, you know what I'm saying? Wearing the Yeezy 350, your heel, you know what I'm saying? Wearing something light, some Levi's, you know what I'm saying? Levi's shirt with the pinky ring, with the chain. While I'm doing this right now, I'm gonna unbox this channel with the new box. This is what I have. It's a little something. Time to do some unboxing, see what we got. Let's get it. Woo! Straight from Nike though. Straight from Nike. Okay, we got some Jordans, some retro 10s. Let's see what's inside. Woo! We got the limited edition, the Miami. You know what I'm saying? Miami Heat. You know how it is out there. If you've been out there. Just the culture itself, you know. If it's Miami, you know, I'm wearing that, just it's crazy. The vibes, the leaves, the pink. You know, that's more just in person, you know what I'm saying? Just in the app, you know what I'm saying? If you guys want to see the drip that I got the outfit, you just gotta give the likes, the views, and the thumbs up. It's your boy KingFab, KDD. We out.